How to fix Telegram cannot send message on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram cannot send message on Android phone. First, all you need to do is just go to Play Store and then check if there's any update here and then just update your Telegram. It's easy, and if that doesn't fix your problem now, it means that you need to go to settings and then click apps and then apps or applications, and here once you're here near now, all you need to do just scroll all the way down until you find Telegram, or you can just type it, and after that click on it and then click for stop, and now click storage, clear cache, and then click data usage, and now check allow all of those here, and after that click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and clear cache, and now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.